welcome onto my channel. Today I have another packing and on the body shop video, and this is going to be for Jujube's Chromatics new release color, and this is in the Desert and Bestie. So I'm out here in California Adventure out in Anaheim, so let's go ahead and take a closer look. This is Jujube's new chromatic color Desert, and I have this one in particular in the Bestie. This one I have packed up as a mommy bag out here while we're out here in California Adventure. I'll go ahead and link up my other video up on that screen, and that's going to be for Steampunk BRB packed up for California Adventure. This bag is more of a camo color, as you can see, pretty, very neutral, very natural color, and I have it paired up with the Toki Retreat woven strap, which I think goes pretty nice. It kind of gives it a pop of color. The hardware though is different. As you can see in the Desert, there is more of a gold colored hardware, and for Toki Retreat it's kind of a rose gold colored hardware. Looking around the bag, here in the back there are a D-ring right here, 2 more D-rings on the side, and other 2 D-rings up here. So you can actually use this with a messenger strap for a crossbody and for shoulder carry. And these straps, these D-rings here, the Bestie comes with a strap that you can convert this as a backpack. So looking around the bag, there is a slip pocket here in the back with no snap closure or no magnetic closure. It's just an open slip pocket. Here in the front, there is a front pocket here, which is actually a pretty good size. Looking in there, I do have my wallet, and this is a zippy coin purse from Louis Vuitton, and it fits in that mesh pocket that's there. I also have some lip balm, some lotion, eye drops, pre-wedding eye drops, and I do have some extra contacts, and it fits in there really nicely. I did adorn this bag with some Pocahontas eye candy, which I got from Paws by Andrea, since I am trying to dress up Pocahontas inspired with my ears and my shirt with Miko, and I thought this would go ahead and just be the cherry on top. So the main compartment of the bag does have 2 zipper pulls, and it opens up pretty wide, and it does have gussets on the side. You can see that there are gussets on the side of the main compartment, which is really helpful with this bag. There is a mesh pocket to the front panel, and in here I was able to fit a small set piece, and this one's in the lilac. I do have a little tag for it, and this is where I put my charger, which is funny because my phone needs to be charged right now. And I do have a cord in here and a battery pack. And this fits nicely into that front mesh pocket. And this bag actually is just housing my medications. And if you've seen all my other videos, I am a high-risk geriatric pregnancy, so I do have to check my sugars very often, and I do have to take insulin. So I do have all that in here, my medications along with everything else I need. And this whole pack fits in the bag here. So inside the Bestie, you'll see that cappuccino colored lining, which is darker than the lining in Lilac and Peachy, the water chromatics, and that color I think is more of a champagne. This is more of a cappuccino color. In the back part of the Bestie, there is a zippered pocket, which I don't have anything in, but it's actually a good link to that pocket. This video was helpful. Watch out for the Bestie in the new Jujube Chromatics Color Desert, and I hope you guys all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.